飛んでちょっと張本はきつくなりましたね。はい。
おお、あ、そう。いや、これはもう言葉を失います。
いやこのマットね、若干ちょっと滑るんですよ。
はい。
滑りながらも、
はい、
もう右足滑ってますよね。
There. Surely. Oh!
正手位，我去主动想办法上手。
好球，漂亮！
你看这球，他腰都弯成那样了。
是，
你看他的腿。
Generation. Oh, turns. Watch the timing again. So.
I think you give 10 out of 10 for the pirouette there when he was on the floor. Just watch him here. Watch Marlon. Well, he's gone off the screen, but that was a pirouette and he got back up.
Players in the game. The U.S. is going to be thrilled to have rallies like this on home soil, and it's only just begun. We're still early in the tournament.
We talk about explosions, and that was a
素晴らしい適応能力を見せています。リバウンドシータクロスに行った。それを狙い撃たれたか。回り込んで巨人のフォアドライブ。これが世界最強中国。
この懐ですね。本当に
あの体勢から。
6. Tough way to win the point here. What a move here from Mizutani, way behind the table. The fishing shot baseline. Counterattack from the ground. One more counterattack to Mizutani. What just happened? He finds the baseline from near the barrier and sneaks it past Lingao Yuan. If that's not point of the day, I must have missed something, and I've watched everything from the first point at 10 o'clock this morning. Skylobs, Mizutani doesn't normally have the capability to win the point like this against a world-class power speed player. Love watching these two play.
Over the net.
I think Dean even got that. Remarkable shot. Let's have another look at that. How about this for a shot? You can't do much better.
الباقة خلاص.
Good defense from the Japanese side. Very quick to recover from Shi.
Cracking counters and the last one down the line. Oh, good work. Oh. Oh, wow, well, Lingao, yeah.
哎呀，你看这个球像不像乱？
Oh, a little bit off the edge.
ここは使ってきた。ミドルをついていく大島。